Hey, this is Sri Hari from Mr. Phone, and from what you just saw, we have a Matchbox, one of the biggest Matchboxes that I've ever seen. But this is actually not a real Matchbox. It's a smartphone from Tecno. It's the Tecno Spark Go, and I have to give it to Tecno for innovating every time with unboxings. No matter what their phones are like, that is all a talk for later. But their unboxing experience are truly very unique, and some of the most unique ones that you can see coming at least out of India. And with the Tecno Spark Go, we have yet another beautiful reviewer's box here, and we shall see what we get inside. So without any further ado, let's jump in. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to the Mr. Phone channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get to see all that explosive content out of the channel. So now that we've gotten rid of the tabs and we've cut through them, let's take the box out. And as soon as I open the box, oh my god. So what you can see is, of course, there is the phone here, but you have these four lights here, which at first I actually thought they were candles because we have a matchbox outside of the hill, but they are candles, of course, but they are electronic candles powered by battery, but they look super awesome. So I'll just keep them here, place them on different sides so that it all looks beautiful and shining, and I really like those lights. But now let's unbox the phone. Let's take the phone out, and you have this orange tone going on here. I guess that's the tone of the whole thing because we had Spark on the outside, we have a Matchbox, and we have this fiery orange color on the box of the phone as well. But let's move into the box, and when we open the box, the first thing that we see is the phone itself. So there is the Tecno Spark Go, and we remove the sticker, and we have this blue and black gradients. Gradients have become so popular, and we have that blue and black gradient on the Tecno Spark Go. But let's keep that aside. It feels actually lighter than it should be. I guess the battery is inside. So let's see if the battery is inside. And when we unbox it, when we go through the pamphlets, once we've done that and kept here, yes, there is a battery here. So let's now open that battery, and let's now look for an indent on the phone. So we'll have to open the phone here. So we'll just open it and keep the battery inside, so you can install that battery inside. Now the phone feels the right weight. So now we have it. Let's turn this phone on and keep it on the side while looking at other things. So you get, other than that, you get the micro USB cable here and a 6-watt charger from Tecno. There is no screen guard or a case this time. I guess that is cost cutting, but that is all you get with the Tecno Spark 2. Now let's keep all this aside and look at the phone itself. Coming to the design part, it's mostly built out of plastic. As you saw, the battery is outside, so you have the option to remove the battery. While you're using one battery, you can make sure that the other one is charging, so that as soon as you're done with one, you can go to straight to 100% with the new battery. So now to talk about the Tecno Spark Go, we actually have a 6.1-inch HD plus dot notch screen. The bezels are slightly thicker than I would have liked, but considering the under 6,000 rupee price tag of it, I guess it's fine. You do get a notched screen here. You get a 720p plus resolution as well with 450 nits of brightness, which is impressive. Also, you get the Helio A22 chipset, which is a very popular chipset for that price. You get 2 gigs of RAM and 16 GB storage. You also get, in the camera department, you get a single camera at the back, which is an 8 megapixel camera enhanced by AI. So you have advanced night algorithm as well. Apart from that, you have AI cam, AI portrait mode, AI beauty, HDR mode, AR short. So you have all of these things happening as well. On the front camera, you have a 5 megapixel sensor with, of course, all of these AI enhancements. The software inside this is HiOS 5 built on top of Android 9 Pie. So yes, you do get Android 9 Pie straight out of the box, and you get a 3000 mAh battery with a 6-watt charger in the box. So that is the Tecno Spark 2. Here are a few pictures taken using the front and the back camera. So let me know what you think about them. We'll of course reserve our thoughts for the full review. Also, let me know if you want us to do a full review for this, or if you want us to do a comparison with any other phone in this price range. But with that, I'll leave it to it. This was one of the most fun that I had unboxing because this was a truly unique experience. But we have the Tecno box, we have the Spark Go, and there is the Tecno Spark Go. But along with this, you also get the receiver, which is free. You get that, it's worth 800 rupees, but you get that for the 5,499 price. So you get all of this for that 5,499 price. So let me know what you think of this package in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this unboxing. This is Sri Hari from Mr. Phone, and I'll catch you in the next one.